Well, hi y'all. I'm Vicki, and welcome back to my kitchen as always. And I'm so glad to have you here. Today we're going to explore making keto low-carb whipped topping to go on a couple of tarts that I've made, and to make a more than just whipped cream. You know, I want it to be a topping. So I'm going to take our cool little whipped cream maker, and I'm going to put about 3/4 of a cup of whipped cream in. And I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of Swerve Confectioners, and they're kind of rounded. That's 2 tablespoons. And then I'm going to take a 1/2 teaspoon. Have you seen our measuring spoons that clip together? I love these things. I never have to hunt for one. So 1/2 teaspoon of Cream of Tartar. Cream of Tartar is going to help make it thick. And then a teaspoon of our amazing double strength Madagascar vanilla. Now this is only a seasonal item, but I buy enough of it at Christmas time to last me through the year. Okay, and that's all the ingredients we're going to do on this particular tart. Let's move the board, so I don't need it. Now this is quick and easy, and you don't have to pull out a mixer or anything else to do it. And let me tell you, if you have kids around the house, they love doing this. Let's check it now. Look, you can see the peaks, so you know it's ready. Okay, I'm going to use the Easy Accent Cake Decorator. So we're just going to fill it. So I'm using the star tip, and one of them I had to try. That's the one. That's the black and white. Chocolate and vanilla tart. This one has a chocolate cookie crust that's made with a low-carb cookie, almond flour, little swerve, and butter. All right, this one, I think I'm going to decorate it around the edges and around the center, and that's it. And then we'll put on a little chocolate shaving. You notice how quick and easy this is. Remember, this is a black and white chocolate tart, so it has a lower level of vanilla. The next layer is a dark chocolate, and the crust is a chocolate cookie crust. Okay, how about that? Isn't that pretty? Even if I have taken a piece out of it. Let's just put a dollop in the middle. Alright. I melted a few little sugar-free chocolate chips because I wanted some chocolate shavings to go on the top of this. And I'm just going to take our wonderful grater, the medium one, and grate it. Don't let it get too hard in the refrigerator. You want it to be a little firm, but you don't want it to be too hard. because you want it to come out. If you wait till it's too hard, then it's kind of shaved. This way it comes out in strips. Okay, we got the chocolate tart done. Now y'all, look at this tart. This is my blueberry tart, and we're just going to put a dollop of whipped cream in the center. So all we're doing is decorating. But it'll add so much because I'm going to grab some fresh blueberries and put on the topping. Okay, so I'll dress this one with a little bit of fresh blueberries, and I'll show you what it looks like after I'm done. So I'm having a lot of fun because it's springtime with our brand new Tart pan from Pampered Chef. So check out my beautiful tarts. They're ready for company, and I'll plate them and they'll look beautiful using just a simple whipped topping. And the easy accent cake decorator and the whipped cream maker are perfect for doing that. So much fun. Come back to see me soon. Give someone your beautiful smile today. It makes you feel good inside, and you know, you just could make someone else's day. I love having you in my kitchen, and I love hearing from you. So please leave me a comment on where you're watching me from, or if you have any questions. Remember, this is keto low carb, and that's the way I eat. You can actually make this the same way traditionally with a confectioner's sugar and the whipped cream maker. So see you later. Bye.